This is a portable kitchen trolley from 5D. It has different baskets which you can rotate. You can store fruits, vegetables and grocery items properly in this special kitchen, and can also use them to organize them in the other area of the house. This is a vegetable peeler, which has a transparent box. In this you can peel vegetables and fruits in this way, and collect the peels and clean them in one go. This is a further kettle used in a no-fridge, in which you can infuse lemon and food in it, and keep it in the fridge in this way. This is an electric oven in which you can steam, grill and cook your food in different layers. It is also very easy to use. This is a space in which a set of 4 containers is given which is transparent. A cactus apple spoon is given in it, with which you can use your spices. This is an ice maker box, which is especially needed in the summer season, so with the help of this you can make a lot of ice in it. You can use this basket, which is made of, for making oily items in the kitchen or for frying them. In this way, you can use it for frying on the edge of the list. Along with this, a small handle is also given in it for holding. It is 2-in-1, this is a scissor, with the help of which you can use it to cut your vegetables in the kitchen. A flat surface is given in its bottom area, also use it in the form of separate pieces. No, this is a vegetable grater used in the kitchen, which has 3 pieces, and different shapes of blades are given in it so that you can grate and slash your vegetables in different shapes. This is a portable laptop table in which you can easily use your laptop. Along with this, you can also use this table for other purposes at home. Washing table used in the kitchen to wash fruits, vegetables, rice, lentils, etc. This is a basket which is double-layered. It also has a long handle. You can also sieve in it in this way. This is a storage rack in which you can make a storage rack by arranging a set of different boxes in this way, and doors are also given in it. This is how you can open it and keep the things organized in it properly. Available at different prices on Amazon, these are storage drawers of no similarity. For example, in a special kitchen, you can place this drawer on the side of the refrigerator to keep things organized. These are also available on Amazon right now. Wall-mounted, this is a lead organizer. For example, you can use this type to keep leads while cooking, especially on the wall of the kitchen. Made of stainless steel, this is a storage type used above the washing machine, in which different shelves are given. In this, you can keep the items of your washing area organized. Flat ship microfiber, this is a cleaning mop whose handle can be adjusted. You can use this especially to clean the upper area. Along with this, you can also clean the floor.